Ready, start. In view of the aforesaid, the contention raised on behalf of appellants with respect to retrospective application of the later dated 30th April, 2021 issued by the central government holds no water. Full stop. If there was any interference in the degree awarded by CPS, Mumbai, then the issue of retrospectivity would have arisen. Full stop. However, by later dated 30th April, 2021, there is no interference to the recognition of the FCPS qualifications. Full stop. The later dated 30th April, 2021 is prima facie clarificatory in nature, since it only clarifies the position as already existing that FCPS qualifications are not equivalent to MD/MS courses. Full stop. The central government or the NMC are not revisiting or recalling the degrees already granted by CPS, Mumbai. Full stop. Therefore, the issue of retrospective application of later dated 30th April, 2021 has wrongly been raised on behalf of the appellants. Full stop. Law is settled that courts cannot act as an expert in the field of education. Full stop. The expert body is empowered and competent to lay down the standards to be maintained and the eligibility criteria for the award of D&B qualifications. Full stop. The respondent, Union of India, wide its later dated 30th April, 2021 has stated categorically that the FCPS qualifications cannot be treated as equivalent to MD/MS qualifications, thereby clarifying its notification dated 22nd January, 2018, wherein it had been mentioned in clear terms that the FCPS qualifications shall not be treated as recognized medical qualification for the purpose of teaching. Full stop. It is to be noted that courts have time and again held that academic bodies are fully competent to change and modify eligibility criteria in order to ensure the maintenance of standards of education. Full stop. The legality of the impugned judgment passed by the learned single judge and the communications dated 20th November, 2020 written by respondent number 2 and later dated 30th April, 2021 written by ministry are yet to be adjudicated by this court. Full stop. This court holds that there is no prima facie case in favor of the appellants that the policy of the respondents is apparently arbitrary in any manner. Full stop. Since this court is neither equipped nor has the academic or technical background to take decision in academic matters, especially when the validity of the policy of the respondents is yet to be adjudicated, no case is made out to grant any interim relief in favor of the appellants. Full stop. List of doctors who are pursuing the present appeals have been filed on behalf of the appellants. Full stop. A perusal of the same shows that most of the doctors are still pursuing the FCPS course. Full stop. It is also pertinent to note that the D&B exams are held in short durations twice a year. Full stop. Therefore, there is no balance of convenience in favor of the appellants for granting any interim relief. Full stop. It is also pertinent to note that many of the appellants, including the appellant in LPA number 149/2023, had taken admission in the FCPS course, prior to the notification dated 22nd January, 2018 of the central government, when it was still unrecognized.